Islamic story time.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Islamic Storytime. I am your host Muhammad Umair, and today we will be talking about how to do wudu. Today joining me is my close friend and my cousin, Taha. Taha, please introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Taha Anas. I am one of this channel's scriptwriters, and let's get started on today's topic.
Okay, Taha, let's start. So, how do we make wudu? Do you know? Well, there are 9 steps in performing wudu. We have to start with our niyyah. That is our intention. And then we say Bismillah, which means in the name of God.
Yes, that's correct. We should start everything by saying Bismillah.
Okay, so after we say Bismillah, we should wash our hands thoroughly. And then we rinse our mouth 3 times so all the food particles can come out of our mouths.
After we rinse our mouth, we have to rinse our nose with water 3 times. Then we have to wash our face 3 times. It should go from your hairline to your chin. We also have to wash our lower arms from wrist to elbows with your left hand. Wash your right arm and then your right hand to wash your left arm. Leave no part dry.
Yes, that is correct, Taha. The next step in making wudu is called masa. It is when we use our wet hands to wipe our head from our hairline to our neck and slowly go down and clean the back of your ears with your thumbs. You only do this step once.
Oh, okay.
After the masa, you have to wash your feet up to your ankles. Make sure the water goes between your toes. Use your pinky finger to go between the toes to eliminate anything between your toes. You should wash your right foot first and then your left foot. You have to do this 3 times each. That is how we do our wudu. Remember, Taha, wudu is not all about cleaning your physical self. It is more about purifying yourself from inside. Do you have any questions, Taha?
No, but I do want to add something.
Oh, what is it?
We should do wudu before every prayer so then our body will shine on the day of judgment.
Well, Taha, that is true. That is it for today, guys. If you guys have any questions, all the steps of the wudu are up on the screen right now. You guys can pause the video and check it. Assalamu alaikum. And please, don't forget to subscribe.